Welcome to the next generation of Ore-Briquetting. Today we're unveiling our brand new mixing layout, engineered for our partner in Brazil and powered by the reclined TITAN iMR-19 intensive mixer. The heart of the line, TITAN iMR-19. At the core is the iMR-19, a 1,500-liter, 2,400-kilogram high-shear mixer running 110 kilowatt of pure blending force. Reclined pan geometry drives an intense three-dimensional vortex. Carbide-tipped tools slash through fines and binders, giving you a perfectly coated mix in under a minute. A hydraulic bottom door empties the entire batch in seconds. No dead zones, zero cross-contamination. Smart raw solid handling. For live bottom silos feed or fines, mill scale, BF dust and flux to dedicated weigh belt feeders. Accuracy 1% at up to 60 ton. So every ton hits the target chemistry. Binder delivery, powder and liquid. Powder side, big bag unloaders drop 1-ton FIBCs safely into Lawson weight microfeeders. Dual screws meter binder 1 and binder 2 at 0.25%, then shuttle them straight into the mixer inlet. Liquid side, a heated 1 cubic meter silicate tank and a twin pump skid inject hot binder with 1% repeatability. Pulsation dampers and Coriolis flow give rock-solid dosing, batch after batch, clean air, clean changeovers. A 15,000 cubic meter dust collection network pulls 3 milligrams to create from silos, bag dump, and mixer vent, plus a CIP, dry clean kit air lances and retractable spray balls for recipe swaps in minutes, not hours. Done like brains of the operation. Everything is orchestrated by a Siemens PLC with 12-inch HMI, storing multiple recipes and logging every gram. A microwave moisture sensor feeds live H2O data back to the PLC, auto-trimming water to lock in that perfect 8 to 10% curve each time. From high-shear mixing to precision dosing, dust control, and smart automation, this turnkey line is ready to boost green strength and throughput for our Brazilian customer. Looking for complete Ore-Briquetting solutions? Talk to us. We engineer, build, and commission systems that let you mix faster, cleaner, better.